Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I have got another fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam tea light holders. And these tea light holders can be used both indoor and outdoor. And so what you'll need is you'll need a pair of these black punched out metal tea light holders. And I've got some silver glitter here. I've got some diamond wrap. I've also got some of these peel and stick gemstones. Got both silver and Mod Podge. I've got a pair of these candy dishes. I also have some loose gemstones. Got some hot glue, a paintbrush, and you're also going to need a couple of these napkin rings. And these are the items that we'll need to get this project completed, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and mix in some Mod Podge here in this container, and also I'm going to add some silver craft paint to that. Now you don't have to do it this way, you can just paint it on first, just do your silver coat first. But for the interest of time, I want to go ahead and mix the paint in with the Mod Podge. It'll save a little bit of time, and then I can go ahead and start adding the glitter. And now I'm going to go ahead, while the other parts of the project are drying, I'm going to go ahead and get some diamond wrap on this napkin. And I'm going to add some gemstones to the bottom edge of this, just like this. And now that this is all nice and dry and I've gone over the top of it with Mod Podge, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some gemstones around the top and bottom of this. I'm just going to add some gemstones to the center of the candle holder. And you don't have to do this, this is optional. And so now I'm going to go ahead and get started adding, putting these components together to assemble the tea light holders. Aren't those beautiful? Now let's get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.